Hey, yo, Jesse.
Yo, man.
Yo, man, I'm excited for this holiday season.
Me too. I love decorating for the holidays.
Yeah, that's right.
Best time of the year.
Hey, we can't decorate for the holidays, okay?
What?
The stud finder's not working.
Stuff.
Yeah.
That should be.
New stud
Yeah, he
finder,
kicks
man.
that.
Look. Permanently placed on the stud. Yeah, no, I'm getting a reading. No, there it goes! Hey!
No.
Stud finder's
Oh,
working.
don't laugh. You don't have to laugh. Oh, that's good. But guys, we do have a problem.
Oh, hey, yeah, fellas, the scaffolding, wrong place. It's supposed to be across the lake.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh.
Somebody
Hey,
messed
stud.
up.
Now what do we do?
Hey,
Home?
lattes at Starbucks.
Oh,
Hey!
hey, hang on. Hey,
Hey,
love me a latte, man. The boss is coming by right now.
the boss.
Yes. Guys, let's look busy. Make
Yeah,
some noise.
Do that.
Woo! Hey.
All right.
Hey.
Oh!
All right.
All right, wait a minute. You guys play the drum? Yeah, man, we've been practicing to get on America's Got Talent.
That's right. Now, fellas, check it out. I've been working on a little something up here for the show, and I got some wires.
Yeah.
And I got some wood.
Whoa.
Check it out. Sounds good.
Yeah, I like
I
it.
see.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, Hanson.
Yeah.
Why don't you crank this up a little?
I got you, dude.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Hey, yo, Mike. Woo!
Oh, hey, drop it.
Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Hey!
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
Guys, hey, we got a lot more people checking out the site right now.
I wouldn't worry about it, man. It happens. Hey, everybody out there, just we're on the same page today. Listen up. This is not the set of Magic Mike 4,
Yeah.
okay?
Forget it, Mike.
All the what? Jay?
Hey,
Hey.
No. But me and Mike.
I
before-
listen. We're keeping the safety gear on.
Oh, sorry.
Don't rope me into this, dude.
I'm sorry, man. Hey,
What?
since all these people out here watching the show, maybe you've been working on.
You think they want to hear my beat?
Yeah, man, at least ask it. That'd be nice.
All right, y'all want to hear my beat? Yeah! Okay, check this out. Yeah.
let's do this.
Yes, Jesse.
Hey, Mike.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, right there. Right there.
All right, I got an idea. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present to you perhaps the best instrument in the entire world. The Rockenspiel.
Oh, snap.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Oh, I nailed it.
Oh.
I heard you laugh. That's good. Thank you.
All right, funny guy, get back here. Let's keep it going with the beat I've been working on, all right? Check it out.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, Jesse. Put 5.
Bring it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ding bong.
Let's go.
All right, run it out. Hey, hit him with a stanky leg. Oh, yeah. Slap it. Yeah.
Hey, Mike, need some help, please?
Yeah, man.
I think I can also use some help.
There you go.
Got it. Mike, a little help, man.
Coming down.
Got it. Got it.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
All right, thanks everybody. You know, since we're construction workers, we get a lot of questions about DIY projects.
That's right. Like, how can I build my own awesome beats back at the house?
Exactly. So when you're working on that project, it's always a good idea to have an extra set of hands around to help out.
Right. I thought we were doing a high five for you.
That was definitely not a...
In fact, we could use an extra set of hands right now. Is there anybody out there in the audience with power tool experience? Someone
Guys,
who's been
hold
to
up.
Home
I'm
Depot?
back here in the crowd. I think I found somebody right here. There it is. Okay. Hey, what's up? What's your name? Jessica, where are you from? All the way from West Virginia. Make some noise for Jessica!
Right here.
All right, well, they're helping her out back here. Let me take a moment to talk to you guys about safety.
Oh, he's doing it.
It's our #1 priority around here. So you want to make sure whether you're building beats at home or on the job site. It's always important to have the proper protective gear.
That's fine.
Okay, Jessica, you're going to help us out today by holding onto this bucket with both hands and take one step backwards here into our safe zone. Perfect. Okay, now listen. You're not going to move from the safe zone, okay? Because safety is universal. Exactly, yeah. And just to make sure Jessica here is extra safe, we're going to lower down that visor right there. How you feeling under there, Jessica?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good.
Pretty good. And what's that you said?
Oh, it's the best show I ever
Best
seen.
show ever.
That's so nice. All right, now for everybody else out there, we're going to need your help on this one. Let's get those hands clapping, and let's see how fast we can build this next beat now.
Yeah.
All right.
All right,
Let's do this.
yeah, keep it going.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Here we go.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh,
Jessica.
Jessica.
Ta-da!
Oh,
Jessica!
Wait, hold on, man. Before we send Jessica back, I feel like we're missing something.
Yeah.
And you know what we need?
What?
A little bit more cowbell.
Oh, yeah.
Jessica, we're not quite done yet. Hey, just drumstick. Jessica, take this cowbell. All right, you know what to do with this thing. Hit it.
Yes! Guys, let's get Jessica playing to the Beat Builders theme song. Woo!
All right, you're gonna follow us now, okay? You got this. Let's have some fun, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah!
Okay, next
Come on,
up.
come on.
Let's try moving the feet, all right?
Left and right and
Hey!
left.
Hey!
All right, wait a minute. You're pretty good at this, man. Let's crank it up a notch.
Hey, Jess, we're gonna move that cowbell next, right? Up and down. Here we go. Up and down. Okay, last up. Here comes that big finish. Show what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
Guys, give her a hand one more time with you.
Alrighty.
All right, you can be part of our crew anytime. Great job.
Yeah, Jessica. Hey, fellas, let's put the finishing touches on these beats.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yeah. Is that Frank Sinatra?
Yeah, that's Frank Sinatra.
Oh,
Hey,
man.
we love Frank Sinatra. Good. This is
Oh,
my
what
holiday
fun
mix.
it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
And we hope to see all you guys in our next construction project.
Christmas.
Thank you, Orlando and Gordon. Great job, Jessica.